This is how I store chicken without a refrigerator, even for up to 12 months. It doesn't take up space in the freezer and is ready to eat. It's a ready idea for dinner. To make the jars, you need 2 kilograms of chicken drumsticks. Wash them thoroughly and clean them. Then, place them on a paper towel and dry them thoroughly. Transfer the meat to a large bowl. You will now season it. Start by adding a tablespoon of salt. Then, add a tablespoon of black pepper and a tablespoon of your favorite seasoning. I chose sweet red paprika. Add a tablespoon of vinegar and mix it all. Rub the seasonings thoroughly into the drumsticks. Set the meat aside for a few minutes. Prepare a couple of onions. Slice them into 1 centimeter thick rings. Wash a bunch of parsley. Then chop it finely. Prepare sterilized jars with a large capacity. Place a layer of onions on the bottom and sprinkle them with parsley. Take a chicken drumstick and place it vertically in the jar. Add more pieces of meat, placing onions in between. Add enough drumsticks to fill the jar tightly. Close it tightly. Repeat the process with the remaining jars. Fill a large pot with water. Place 2 kitchen towels on the bottom. Put the jars with chicken in and add water. The jars must be completely submerged in water. Cook them over medium heat for 5 hours. After that time, the jars are ready. The meat cooked in this way releases its own juices. You can simply reheat this chicken in the microwave or in a pan and dinner is ready.